So the Build Lab is a student-run workshop where students come in to work on personal projects, school projects, and we teach them how to run the equipment, to do everything safely, and to get their project done the best way possible. Currently, the personal project I'm working on is a set of Kumiko lamps. They're a Japanese style of lamps, and to do that, I'm using the table saw and the belt sander primarily, which our belt sander is something not commonly found in most personal workshops because it's a very expensive piece of equipment. So working here allows me to do some of these more complex projects that I really enjoy to do.
The project that I'm working on right now is a holder for like tongs and spatulas, and I'm making it for my girlfriend, and I just use different pieces of wood that are like scraps just so I could have it big enough to store a bunch of different things in it.
So I'm a building construction major, and I'm currently working on a personal project. I'm building a coffee table for my mom, so I wanted to try that out and hopefully build something that my mom will enjoy and that the dog won't chew through again.
Prior to working in the lab, students don't need any experience. They need to complete their online EHS training, and we'll walk them through all the equipment that they are going to use and show them how to safely use it. And it's a great opportunity for students, so we want to help them learn more for when they may need to use this stuff in their career or in their future.